Hello, we now have another feature release for Boozang, and this time we actually did a number of improvements. I know our feature release was very recent, but we're rolling out another one just a week afterwards because we're pretty excited about this new JSON editor. So let's go over the changes. So as usual, you'll find the release notes under resources, forum, and you can now find the feature releases should be at the top, and this is a 7.17.1 deployment. So let's go over the fixes. So one thing is that now in the JSON editor we have an extract data view. So if we remember our last release, I'll show you what this looks like. So let me launch a project here, and maybe I can show you. As usual, when you go into a test, you have this new JSON editor that allows you to try the different validation expression using the JSON path. But now, of course, you can use also the JSON extraction. So let me show you. If I use sample data, I can also change here now to extract the result, and it will show you the data as it's being extracted. So this is the new utility function, extractData, and also of course you can evaluate the utility function, util-validateData. So play around with this. It's super powerful, especially when you're dealing with large API payloads in JSON. Another thing we did was that we received a lot of feedback on branching and merging, and our UI wasn't so good to resolve merge conflicts. So now, if I do a merge, the UI is very much improved, and we hope that this is going to be clearer for our users now. Another thing that we saw was that when people closed their management page, they had to re-log in. So if I go back, I would be logged out. So I'll show you how that looks. If I sign out now and I log in, we now have a remember me checkbox, so that keeps you logged in. So if I close my tab and go back to the same environment, for you this would be ai.boozang.com for the North America site, or eu.boozang.com for the European site, you're going to be able to just maintain your session. So removing a little bit of friction there. Another thing I forgot to mention last time, we've done a lot of changes to the demo project. Actually, for a long time, the demo project when you signed in was the wrong demo project. So that has now been fixed. So if you log in, you'll have a Boozang demo project that should have some examples for you. But of course, we're going to work harder on this to make sure there's some good examples for you to get started. So let us know what you think of this release, and I hope you enjoy the changes.